To the leaders of our world, and to every soul who calls this earth home, I am speaking to you today with urgency, respect, and a deep belief in what we can achieve together. My name is just one among billions, but my heart beats with yours, and I know you feel the weight of this moment as I do. We are staring down a path that could lead to World War III, and I am here, humbly, boldly, kindly, to ask you to change course. As of today, the signs are clear. These are not just headlines, they are warnings. But I believe in you, our leaders. I believe you can sit together and say, let's stop this before it is too late. That is diplomacy. That is real strength, not weakness. It is vital because if you do not step up, it is our towns, our families, our whole way of life that is gone. You know the stakes. Homes reduced to dust. Children robbed of tomorrow. But for you, there is another path. A chance to be remembered as the ones who saved the world, not broke it. That is power that matters, a legacy worthy of honor. I speak to you, every leader listening, with the utmost respect. You hold immense responsibility, and I know it weighs on you. The decisions you make ripple into every corner of our lives. We are asking you to lead us towards something better. Diplomacy isn't retreat, it is the bravest choice you can make. Sit down, talk, find the common ground that saves us. We trust you to see us, not as pawns, but as people who depend on your wisdom. To everyone else hearing this, we are not helpless. Our voices can move mountains. Our ancestors proved that they faced wars, yes, but they also rebuilt, loved, and dreamed of peace for us. We carry their spirit, resilient, compassionate, united. Leaders, I implore you, with all the kindness and conviction I have, change course, prevent this war. Let us stop this before it is too late. The world is watching, hoping, praying for your strength to shine through dialogue, not destruction. Be the ones who saves us, and to my fellow humans, let us stand together, lift our voices, and support this call for peace. To the leaders of the world, and to everyone listening, I created a draft to create a call for peace, trying to bring unity and peace upon us. War, destruction, many souls lost, especially the youth, have been going through far too much for far too long. When is enough? When are we going to step up and not add to this tension, this conflict, but to find a way to find peace, common ground, a way for us to put an end to this ongoing war before it really does get out of proportion. Your people are counting on you to lead, which is your responsibility, which is the job and the responsibility you signed up for, to take care of your people, not destroy them, not make them perish. I hope this message, the purpose of these weekly messages of a call for peace is to hopefully find a way for us to finally come to the realization of what really is at stake. And the leaders do know what is at stake. For some reason, we can't find a way to prevent this ongoing tension. We can't find a way to find a common ground. And instead of us trying to de-escalate the situation, we are only making things worse. So I hope that with these weekly messages of a call for peace, we can finally become united. Where we do not have to experience that opportunity. Where we did not have to experience that opportunity to become united because of mass destruction. Unfortunately, one of the saddest things about life is in order for us to really appreciate and value other people is when we have no other choice but to value and appreciate other people. Do not let it be where we have to see flames, mass destruction, more pain, agony, turmoil, hurt, tears, sorrow, when there has been far too much as it is. Please join me by using hashtag a call for peace, and hopefully my hope with this weekly series where I do a call for peace messages is I hope that it brings unity and peace and hopefully some enlightenment to really come to the realization that, you know what, just put our prides to the side. Let's put our egos to the side. And let's stop this before it really does get out of hand. I love you. I appreciate you. Take care.